channel. I am Sloan with the Commander's Pod, and we are opening up the box of Universes Beyond Assassin's Creed. If you listen to the podcast, I told the guys and mentioned that I was going to buy a box of this, and so they asked me to do a box opening, and we're going to try to do some more for you guys in the future. But with that being said, I went ahead and got this box and just came in yesterday at the time of this recording, which would be the day after release. So it came in on the 6th. And let's go ahead and open this up together and see what we get. The cards we're specifically looking for are going to be the swords, as well as we're looking for a couple of assassins specifically, but we do want as many assassins from the set as humanly possible. I'm kind of a Assassin's Creed fan, at least the first two I played all the way through, so that's why I really like this set, and I liked a lot of the cards it came out with. And Ezio is the main guy we're looking for here. We want to get him, and little art card here that they have. It comes in the box. It's pretty cool. I haven't gotten a lot of packs, so when I saw this come out, I decided to make sure I got one of these. So these are a little bit different than normal. So these are only 7 card packs, you can see. So not as many cards per pack, but I believe there's 24 packs in the box. So we're going to look for Ezio. We're going to go, hopefully we get the full art version that matches up with the 5 lands. And then because I want to make him as a commander, and then Haystack, Smoke Bomb, and then the 2 swords are kind of what we're hoping to get out of this. But we'll see. So let's go ahead and let's get started and get to the first pack here. Alrighty. Loyal Inventor. Oh, Overpowering Attack. The free running mechanic on this is an extra attack card. So very cool. Land. Oh, there we go. And it looks like the next card is a foil. Trying to get my camera there to focus in. There you go. Basim. And then let's see what we got here. Oh, a foil temporal trespass. That's actually a really pretty one. I like that. And then I think I saw one more. Oh, look at that. The Capitoline Triad. Freaking mythic rare out of the first pack, guys. Holy cows. Out of the first pack we opened. And this is the one my buddy just bought, because he really wanted it for one of his decks. But yeah, that is gorgeous too. Man. And then the information card in the back. But we'll go ahead and tuck that into his sleeve. So first pack, not bad. Put those off to the side. Oh, Become Anonymous. This is a good one. I saw this one. I like that one. There was a really cool multiplayer game where basically you would have to, it was like hide and seek, except you had the ability to kind of meld with people. And so that's where that's based off of. Vehicle. Hunter's Bow. Oh, Reach and War 2. Full Art Planes. Oh, look at that. We got them. Second pack. No way. Oh my gosh. Second pack. We pull them. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! We got one of the Animus art versions. So this is kind of a nod to the game itself, kind of that art style, and then we got a copy token there. But let's go ahead and let's throw my Ezio, literally that I pull out of the second pack. Let's go ahead and throw him in a sleeve. Keep him safe. Wow, so 2 for 2 packs. I got mythics. I mean, I'm already very happy. I know a lot of people were dogging this set, and unfortunately, it didn't do well in the actual market. But I mean, I feel like one of the problems with Magic, since I kind of get to have this little episode of the show with by myself, I get to kind of talk about some stuff. Um, I feel like right now Magic is they're trying to do too much, and they're kind of forgetting about the core of the game a little bit. And one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people have is that it seems like they're pumping out a lot of sets for a lot of different things that aren't really related to the game. Like Assassin's Creed is definitely one of them. But overall, I think if they're doing it right, I'm okay with it. But they need to slow down on their sets. They're coming out with way too many. Jeez. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go through here. Tax collector. Creatures you control gain flying and slender charge creature in your graveyard. Oh, this is the enchantment that does what the that one creature do, that mono black creature does. Go for the throat. Oh, gosh, I love the art in these. They're so good. All right. Oh, there we go. We got another assassin, a rare. Whenever a creature you control with that touch deals combat damage to the player, put that many 1/1 counters on that creature. Oh, disguise. It looks like I saw another foil, hunter's bow, and look at that. We got another one of the Animus art ones. And then we get a, ooh, that's a sick treasure. I like that treasure. But yeah, look at that. I do like those. That is some cool art. Take these and set them off to the side. Sorry if this goes in and out of focus. This is my first time doing this, and my setup sometimes likes to cooperate and other times it doesn't. Distract the guards. Ooh, there's a Mortify, the Full Art Mountain. Another mythic, Apple of Eden. Pay 4 life, sacrifice Apple of Eden, look at a target opponent's hand and exile those cards face down. You may play those cards this turn. Can be spent to cast them until end of turn. Whenever you play a land or cast a spell this way, its owner draws. Interesting. That's an interesting one. And it looks like we may have gotten another. Yep. Oh, Javi the Allfather. Another rare. Jeez Louise. I feel like I'm doing really good. I don't know if I actually am or not. My big thing is one of the guys on our show, Jeff. He's very much into the I want my actual money value back out of this game whenever I buy stuff. I'm more of the I want my play value out of it. As long as I get the cards that I want and they're playable and I can use them for something, like that's really what I care about, and that's what I'm about. So, we kind of have different ideas, which is why I think our show is kind of fun because we all have different concepts of how we play Magic and how we want to do Magic. Oh, look at that, Roshan. We're getting a lot of the assassins here. We're doing pretty good. Oh, Arbaz Mir. I like this guy a lot. I like his ability. I believe Josh from the Command Zone played him on their Assassin's Creed episodes. He did a really good job with them. Oh, look at those lands. They're just so stinking pretty. What must be done? Destroy all artifacts and creatures. Not bad for a rare. There's our foil and Lydia Fry. Man, I feel like we're for what we want, we're doing pretty good. We got Ezio. We're literally in the second pack, which is amazing. Not the full art version that I want, but nonetheless, we still got him, and that's what's important because he is the guy I wanted the most, pretty much out of every card in here, just so I can actually build him as a commander. Because I mentioned it on the podcast, I don't have any 5-color commanders yet, and so I am. Dude, this pack is beating me up right now. Okay, there we go. I got it. I don't have any 5-color commanders, so I'm really looking forward to finally having one that I really like and am gonna build. So I just think his ability is kind of cheeky, which is why I like it. So, alrighty, let's get this recentered here for you guys. There we go. All right, Assassin's Gauntlet. Wow. Literally for 2, destroy a creature and draw a card. Ooh, look at that. Path to Exile. I like that. That's a cool art. Full art, please. Sword of Light and Shadow. We got it, boys. We got it. No actual way. We pulled one. Sword of Light and Shadow. Look at that. We got it. I'm super excited because I've always wanted swords and I've never been able to really get them because they're expensive. Ezio. Brash Novice. I love that art. Look at that art. All right, it looks like we got an art card. Oh, look at that. That is a sick art card. Of how many? 16 of 20. Some people say like they don't really care about these. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like these. I think these are pretty cool. This is I think a cool idea that Magic started doing with some sets is having the art cards in there so they could I guess just showcase certain art. And if my camera wants to focus here. So I really like those. I'm a big fan of those, but let me go ahead and get this sword. Let me get that in I don't even know how many packs are we in so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Literally 6 packs in. In 3 of them we have hit something major. I mean, that is a pretty good hit rate. I can't wait to tell Jeff and Duncan about this from the show, and Jack, our producer, and kind of tell them they're missing out. All right, let's get this to recenter, refocus again. Reconnaissance, no way. This is such a good card. If you have a combat-based deck, this is a great card to put in it. Xiao Jun. I think we already got her in the other art. Forest. Layla Hassan. That is a great ability. Oh, Eagle Vision. This is the one that Jeff talked about on the show that he really liked because of the free running mechanic. Draw 3 cards for 2. Oh, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Holy cow. I'm going to sleeve that one because that one's so pretty. And then, oh, look at that. We got another art card. This is the art that was on the actual box in the big printout. Here you go. Look. That's the big print version. Here's a little card version of it now. The 1 of 20. We're getting, I mean, man, we are getting some pulls. I know, again, a lot of people are dogging this set. And, you know, because all everyone cares about is money nowadays, right? So everyone's talking about how, like, this set's not selling, so it's just bad and blah, 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 blah. One of the things that I will say is I don't think every set that comes out needs to change the entire game and its existence, right? Like, having a set come out just for the sake of coming out and having new cards and mechanics, I think is 100% okay. Origin of the Hidden Ones. New Saga. Tax Collector, we already grabbed one of those. We already grabbed, I think, a foil version of that guy. Alright, let's see what we hit. It's a rare. Ooh. Sigurd Jarl of Raventhrop. Or Throp. Oh, Thorpe. Sorry. Mix the R and the O up. Vigilance, Trample, Lifelink. Put a lore counter on target saga you control or remove one from it. Whenever you put a lore counter on a saga you control, put a 1/1 counter up to one target creature. Ah, that's not a bad ability. I know Jeff has a saga deck that he is building. Revelations of Ezio. Whenever an assassin you control attacks this turn, put a 1/1 counter on it. Return target assassin card from your graveyard to the battlefield with an additional 1/1. That is a sick card. That will definitely go on my Ezio deck. Oh, look at that. Hidden Magister. Actually, I was talking to my buddies about this. How like some of the cards they actually have the art that goes like over and extends over the wording, and I always think that's cool because it kind of gives a little bit of 3D-ness to the card. Oh, look at this. We got a signed art card. Look at that little gold signature. It's 2 of 20. Nice. Another good pack there. I definitely think I'm going to put the Revelations of Ezio in my Ezio deck, obviously, because, you know, I don't think you can have cards with Ezio's name on it not in his own deck. So, and this is the foil version, which is super pretty. Look at that. We're still looking for a haystack. Would be super dope if we grabbed one of those. I know one of my buddies that I play with, not actually on the podcast, he was really interested in grabbing one. He has a Light Paws deck and really wants a way to try to protect Light Paws, obviously, because that's what the whole deck kind of revolves around. And, all right, let's kind of get this focused. There we go. Ballad of the Black Flag. Oh, Roshan, we just got that guy in the other art version. Ooh, there you go. Other assassins you control get +2/+0. Alright, let's see what we get here. It's a rare. It's not a creature. Ooh, Conspiracy. It's a good card. Oh, we get another. Black Market Connections. Let's go. Oh, my camera does not like the foils, huh? Sorry, boys and gals. But there you go. Black Market Connections. Look at that. Super pretty. And then, oh, Abzar Mir. We got the other version of him. I'm going to go ahead and throw his Black Market Connections in and a sleeve, because that one is super pretty. So we got 2 freaking rares in that one. Nice. So we are going to try to do this more though, guys, just so you know. I would like to eventually try to do this live once I get a good enough setup. However, I don't know how good it will be, and we're not sure what platform we want to stream to yet if we were to do it live. So, but we will definitely try to do that. We also are talking about trying to get some games recorded to put on here too. So we got to get with our producer on the best way to try to get that done. So, but oh, there it is, smoke bomb. Look at that. Ooh, Brotherhood's headquarters. That is definitely going in the Ezio deck, my friends. All you little CPs. Let's get this to reset. All right, let's see what we're going to get here. Ooh, it's a mythic. It's a creature. Let's see what we get. Oh, look at that. Another freaking baller assassin. Another mythic. Oh, man, we are killing. Oh, and we got a rare. A foil rare. Ooh. The first guy we pull, we got a foil rare. Let me put those off to the side so you guys can actually see this. Man, I am loving like these Animus art cards. Come on, camera, work with me. It doesn't want to focus. Why not, camera? Focus. Let me put it down here. Maybe kind of move it up slowly. There you go. I'm loving those though. Oh, and we got another art card. Very pretty. Let me go ahead and throw these guys in sleeves real quick. Yeah, so the hope is we're going to try to get some recordings in of actual games, and then we're going to try to start uploading those. Unfortunately, even though we all work together at the same place, we unfortunately also all have wives and families. Not unfortunately. If any of our wives listen to this, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. What I mean is that because we have wives and families, we have to obviously spend time with them. So it's hard for us to all sit down and be able to play a game together, let alone try to record a game. I don't know if any of you guys have watched any other channels that record games and such, but they are very time consuming task to forego. So we do want to do it. It is our hope to do it in the future, but for right now, luckily the unboxing and opening packs is a little bit easier because it just requires me doing the setup, and I have this set up from when I used to stream PC games. So, all right, let's take a look here. Oh, hook blade. Look at that. Equipment. Go for the throat. We grabbed one of those already. Bleeding effect. We grabbed one of those. Oh my gosh, we got it. We got one. Oh, guys, we got one. Come on, camera. Don't do this to me. There we go. We got one, guys. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, we got another rare. Oh, Javi the Allfather. We got the regular version of him. Shay Cormac. There's our foil. And then Roshan again. I think we've gotten him 3 times now. But let's go ahead and get... Let's get this land sleeved up. I can't believe we got one of the 5 lands. It's dope. Nurturing. Still got quite a ways to go, guys. We might be able to do it. We might be, I don't know if I'm just getting incredibly lucky or what, but I usually don't open boxes. Like I said, I usually don't buy them. So this is the first box I've bought in a while, so. Brotherhood Regalia. I always like when they do that. When they give like a legendary equipment cost and then a regular equip cost. I always thought that was a cool idea, but that is a good one. I like that one a lot. If it wants to focus back up here. Man, my camera is not liking me today. I tested this the other day and it did great, but I'm going to try to keep an eye out for you guys. Restart sequence. Another free running one. Return target creature from your graveyard to the battlefield. Oh, that's a good one. Coastal Piracy. Nope. Land. Oh. Just the island and Abstergo Entertainment. Target historic card from your graveyard to your hand. And ooh, that's a mean ability. Let me see if I can get that in focus for you guys. I'm sorry. I gotta remember to pay attention to that. Okay, there we go. That is a good land. Let's see if we got another. Just an uncommon here. Towering Viewpoint. Oh, token. Hey, look at that. We got a little assassin token. Let's go ahead and sleeve this one up just to keep it safe. Man. I'm hoping we get either the lands or the other sword. That would make me really happy. That'd be super cool. Oh yeah, I forgot if you just do this. Alrighty. Oh, here we go. Another equipment. There we go. I gotta remember to keep it like right at that height. Oh, Loyal Inventor. I'm not gonna lie, if I got Leonardo, that'd be sick. Oh, Terminate. Love that art. That's a great art. Alright, let's see what we get here. Alright, rare. Looks like it's a creature. Jacob Fry. Oh, Brotherhood Regalia. Foil, though. Pretty cool. Breaker of Chains. We haven't gotten him yet. When he enters the battlefield, reveal top 6 cards of your library. Put an assassin, pirate, or vehicle card from among them into your hand. The rest of your Byron library random order. Oh, he's got a return mechanic with vehicles. That's pretty cool. So this is a partner one. Whenever one or more assassins control 2 combat damage to the player, exile up to 1 target assassin card or card with free running from your graveyard. If you do, copy it. That's pretty cool. So this little partner commander. Go ahead and toss that one in the sleeve. Keep it nice and safe. sure my editor's gonna, or producer rather, is gonna just hate me for doing this so close to my face. But I don't know what you want me to do, man. Alrighty, let's see here. Come on. There we go. Escape detection. Return a blue creature you control to its owner's hand. Return target creature to its owner's hand. Draw a card. Not bad. Oh, there we go. Overpowering attack. Another one. Mountain. I love that they're doing full art. That's so pretty. All right. Rare's a creature. Hey, there we go. Another one we don't have. Aya of Alexandria. Whenever a historic creature you control deals combat damage to the player, create a 1/1 black assassin creature token with menace. Very nice. It's just the uncommon. Tax collector. Hey, there's his partner. Oh no, it's Evie Fry. I'm sorry. Evie Fry, not Lydia Fry, but so there's another Fry that we're looking for. A mysterious creature. You can cover a face-down creature with this reminder card. A face-down creature that was cloaked or cast with disguise has Ward 2. So this is just a little token to put over your disguised creatures. Let me go ahead and sleeve her. Getting a lot of assassins, which is what I wanted. I wanted a lot of legendary assassins because, like I said, Ezio cares a lot about those assassins. Follow the First Civilization Saga. Ezio, Brash Novice. We got the other version of him, the foiled Animus art version of him. Search your library for up to 3 basic land cards and reveal them. Put 2 of them onto the battlefield tapped and the other into your hand, then shuffle. Free running though. Ugh. Why does this do this to me? There we go. There you go. Mountain. Socrates! No way, we got him. This is one of the other really cool guys that I wanted to get because he's historic. He'd be fun in like a goad deck somehow. Oh, bleeding effect foil version of it. I think it's a pretty cool foil because of the kind of like the Animus grid behind it. Oh, another Shao Jun. Another mysterious creature token. We'll go ahead and protect the scholar. Don't forget, by the way, guys, to listen to podcasts on any of the streaming formats that do podcasts: Apple, Amazon, YouTube, Spotify, all those good things. Oh, looks like we got an art card too. Hey, we got it. The Templar Knight. This is the as many as you want in your deck card for white, finally. There you go. Another Path to Exile, which is good. Those are nice cards. Another Ezio, Brash Novice. Oh, such a cool planes. That's so nostalgic. Crystal Skull Yuzu Spyglass. That is a sick card. That is probably going to go in Ezio. Hemlock Vial. Shay Cormac. Ooh. Look at that. That is cool. So I kind of like this one. I'm not going to lie. I didn't really pay attention much to this one was on the list. You may look at a top card of your library anytime. You may pay play historic lands and cast historic spells. Wow, so legendary lands you can play? That's sick. That is a good one. I like that one a lot. I want to also say if you hear little people in the background, children, I am doing this at my house, so I do apologize if you catch a lot of that in the background. They are but toddlers, so they don't really understand the concept of recording. There we go. Hidden Footblade. Enters the battlefield attached to a creature. Gains first strike. +1/+0 as haste. That is sick. Coastal Piracy. Plane. Well, that's good. Look at that. A reconnaissance and foil. Shao Jun. I think that's our third version over here, but this is a foil one. I'll probably keep that one and get rid of the other ones because that one is really pretty. If this wants to focus so you guys can see it. There we go. Let's go ahead and put this in the sleeve too, just to keep it safe. One of the things I will say too about doing this as a live stream that's a lot more fun is I get to answer questions while I'm doing it. So I'm kind of just talking to myself right now, but that's okay. Ooh, Assassin Initiate. That's good. Oh, sorry, I gotta get used to making sure I get this thing focused before I start pulling the cards away. Okay, there we go. Oh, Hidden Blade, freaking classic to the series. That's so great. I love how all of these have like flash too, which makes sense. Hey, Shay Cormac, there's a regular version of him. Come on. There we go. Hey. So this is the one that goes for the Animus. So the Animus is the other thing that a lot of people wanted. I'll put them to the side, but we got a foil version of him now. We have the regular version of him, but the foil version is nice. Wow, another Shao Jun. I think this is my fourth one of her now. Alright, we're coming up to the end here. And I got a handful of packs left. Still have another sword we want to find. Some more lands that we want to get. Towering Viewpoint. We already grabbed one. Reconstruct history. Construct one target artifact card up to one target enchantment card and up to one target instant card, up to one target sorcery card, up to one target planeswalker card from your graveyard to your hand. Exile. Reconstruct history. Oh, that's not a horrible card. Alright, let's see what we get for her. Hey, there it is. This is the one that goes with Jacob. Draw a card and discard a card. When you discard a creature card this way, target creature you control can't be blocked this turn. So this is the one that the art is literally based off of from the box art. Oh, a foil hook blade. Go ahead and get her in a sleeve. Very nice. I hope anyone that did buy this set, you got the cards that you're looking for if you bought a box like I did. I almost got the collector's box. Oh, look, we got another art card. Very nice. I was thinking about getting the collector's box, but I wanted to open more packs, so. We got it! We got it! Let's go! This is one of the other cards I really wanted to get, was Haystack. Oh, great card. I think we got the Animus version of this guy already. Murder, we already got one of those. Swamp. I love how in all the lands too, there's an assassin somewhere. I think that's really cool. Hatham Kenway. Oh, he's an anti-assassin. That's cool. Other knights you control get +2/+2 and have protection from assassins. When Hatham Kenway enters the battlefield for each opponent, exile up to one target creature that player controls until Henway Kenway leaves the battlefield. So he's a removal spell plus a protection against assassins, excuse me. Oh, we got a foil version. I think we have two of him now. Oh, we got the other Fry. Oh, and the Hidden Blade art card. I'm very excited about the Haystack. I'm going to throw the Haystack in the thing too, just so I can remember that I grabbed it. And I can find it again after I'm done recording. That's sick. We're still getting hits, boys. That full art Ezio, though. Enzo. Ezio? Enzo. I keep doubting myself every single time I say it. Let me check again. Yeah, Ezio. I'm right. I don't know why I doubt myself. I'm just a forgetful Nilly. That's all. I guess you're supposed to alliterate when you say stuff like that, though. I guess I'm a forgetful Frank. All right, let's see. Eagle Vision. There you go. Eagle Vision again. Fatal Push. Actually, it's funny because I was looking through cards, and I have this art version just kind of sitting over here on my desk, and I just pulled this one. Conspiracy, another one. Nice. Propaganda. Look at that. That is so pretty. another rare. We got Socrates, the full art version. No way. Oh, that's awesome. That looks so sick. That is. Let's show that one more time, just because of how I love that. Look at how pretty that is. That is a sick art. Say what you want, but the art for some of these cards is just awesome. I love it. Oh yes, another artist proof card. Well, not artist proof. I'm sorry. It's not artist proof. An art card. Let me get this refocused for you guys. There you go. Ooh, this is like all sagas. Look at that. I got 3 sagas in a row. Such a cool land. Nice. Another Altair. Oh, and another one of him. And then the art. There you go. Hold on, I gotta try to get it to focus. There we go. Look at how cool those art cards are. Man, I'm still getting hits. Alright guys, it looks like we're down to our last 2 packs. So only got 2 packs left. I want to take a moment to say thank you if you watched this. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we're going to try to do more stuff like this with pack openings and maybe get some game recordings going on here. I talked to my buddies to see, I talked to Jeff and Duncan, I should say, to see if they're okay with me recording some of my games I play with some of my buddies. So that way we can start getting some more video content on here for you guys. And they said they're okay with it. So, but with that being said, second to last pack, here we go. Another Brotherhood Regalia. Another Terminate. Another Brotherhood's Headquarters. Staff of Hermes. Very nice. As long as a quick creature has 30 or more, as long as you have 30 or more life, a quick creature gets +5/+5 and has an indestructible and prevent all damage will be dealt to this creature. That's really good in Commander. Let me put that one off to the side so I can. Very cool. So we got Haystack. We got Ezio. We got one of the swords. Got one of the lands I wanted. Oh, another art card. Alright guys, last pack. See what we get. The top 2 cards of target opponent's library and exile one of those cards face down. You may play those cards for as long as they remain exiled, and mana of any type can be spent to cast them. Create a treasure token. Ooh. That might go in my Prosper deck because that creates a treasure and it lets me cast from exile, which are the 2 things he cares about. Monastery, another free running spell, 2 in a row. Nice. The spell's free running cost was paid. Exile the top X cards in your library. Instead, you may play the exile cards until the end of turn. Oh, we got the regular version of Lydia Fry. Who wants to? There we go. All right, let's see what we get for our Mjolnir. Let's go. The Stormhammer. Hidden Footblade and foil. We got a regular version of that. Nice. And another Alexios. Oh, look at that. What a freaking art card. That's so great. All right. Well, that's it, guys. That's our. That is all of the packs. I got some really good pulls. I'm super happy with a lot of the pulls that I got. Getting the Stormhammer there at the end was definitely sick. That was a cool pull. I got one of the swords like I wanted. I got Haystack like I wanted. I got Ezio like I wanted. I got one of the lands for Ezio like I wanted. So I definitely have some good cards here. I got a lot of duplicates too, which I know some people might get upset about, but actually kind of makes me happy because then I got stuff to trade with, the LGSs and some of my buddies so I can get the cards that I do want. So I hope you guys had enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we look forward to hearing from you and seeing you on the next podcast. Thanks so much, and this is Sloan with the Commanders Pod signing out.